Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the CapCut PC tutorial on background removing, overlay, and also edits. So here, I'm going to first show you how you can do a background removing. After you import your video, just click on the clips, and then here in the video, you'll find cutout. And to remove the background, you can see there is an auto cutout, and this please note that this only supports auto recognition of portrait. So just click on that, and now it will apply the auto cutout and the background will be removed, and you can just wait for the process to finish. Okay, so it's actually depend on how long is the video. So the longer the video is, the longer it takes to remove the background. So basically, it just go like this after you remove the background. And then I'm going to show you how you can add overlay to your video. So let's say that I want to add I'm going to use these videos right here, and I'm going to add the overlay of subscribe button in here. So I'm going to delete this video first, and then here I'm going to add the overlay video. Okay, so you can see the overlay is the green screen video like this, and you need to drag the overlay video on top of the first one like this, and then you can remove its background by using the chroma key options in the cutout. Just click on that, and then here drag the color picker into the green color and adjust the strength by swiping it to the right until the green screen is gone, and also the shadow like this. And now the overlay video will go like this, and you can resize it by doing this. And I'm going to put it in here, for example, and that is the overlay. Okay, and you can also add, for example, I want to add this overlay right here. Okay, so this light overlay, so just click on the overlay, and here you need to go to basic so that the overlay video won't cover the main video. You need to go to blend, so you need to click on the checkbox on blend, and here change the mode from normal into, for example, overlay. And then here you can just scroll down and adjust the opacity like this, for example, so that the overlay won't cover the whole clips. Okay, so if you want to add effect, you can go in here. So there's also a transition and also filters, and if you want to add, just go click on text if you want to add text. And you can also add some music from your own computer, or the music provided by CapCut. If you want to extract the audios, you can just click on this and import the video that you want to extract its song. Okay, so I think that's all. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on thanks. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.